Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good morning to everyone. So it's good to meet all of you again, my students. Today I'd like to explain to all of you. Please refer to your lecture notes with the topic of 6 of polynomials. So today we're gonna see what it's all about. Okay, for this topic of polynomial. So first part, we were talking about the introduction of polynomial itself. So then 6.2, we're going to look into the remainder theorem, factor theorem, and the zeros of the polynomial. And last final one then, partial fraction. Okay, so the first part of this topic, 6.1, polynomial. So please refer to your notes again. And at the end of lesson, students should be able to perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the polynomials, and also perform the division. So this is the keyword for today's lecture: addition, subtraction, and multiplication, and also division of polynomial. So a polynomial px degree is defined as mentioned here. So where a, not a1, a2 are real numbers, and n is a positive integer, and a to the power a and cannot be equal to 0. Okay, so example of polynomial. Okay, so with the highest degree of x equal to 4, and this is a polynomial with the highest degree of x equal to 3 and x equal to 2. So example of non-polynomial function. So the degree of the polynomial itself is not a positive integer. Okay, so this is x power of negative 1 plus 2x power of negative 3. So all these are non-polynomial functions. And algebraic operation on polynomials, addition and subtraction. For example, so as you see here, px and qx. So determine px, polynomial of px plus qx, and also b, px minus qx. So px plus qx, as you see here. Okay, now polynomial of px, this is the polynomial of px, and this is a polynomial of qx. So step by step, we are going to recall, open up the bracket here. So 3x to the power of 4 minus 5x cubed plus an x minus 4. Okay, positive 1, okay, positive times with 4x plus 4x cubed, positive times negative, negative 3x squared, positive times positive plus 4x, and positive times positive 3. And simplify all this. Okay, from here, we find that there is no x to the power of 4 because we have x power of 4 here. So it means that it will be retained with 3x power of 4, negative 5x cubed. Okay, for this one here, then we compare with this 4x cubed. So negative 5x cubed plus 4x cubed minus x cubed. Negative 5 plus 4 equal to negative 1. Then, there is no x squared except here. So, minus 3x squared. Then, x plus 4x. X plus 4x. Then come up with 5x. And negative 4 plus 3 equal to negative 1. Okay. Now, we look at the second example, px, the polynomial of px minus qx. Okay, a different situation here because previous, okay, the first example of this is an addition px plus qx, but for px minus qx will be different here. Okay, first of all, we're going to open up this bracket. 3x power 4 minus 5x cubed plus x minus 4. Okay, now please be careful. Negative multiplied with a positive 4x cubed. So, become negative 4x cubed. Negative times negative, positive 3x squared. Negative times positive, minus 4x. And negative times positive, minus 3. Okay, so 3x4, there is no other 3x4 here, so retain with 3x to the power of 4, negative 5x cubed. Okay, this one we compare with this. So negative 5x cubed minus 4x cubed equal to negative 9x cubed. Okay, then negative x squared. There is no x squared here in the first part here of px, so there's only 1, so equal to plus with 3x squared, x and negative 4x, so x minus 4x, negative 3x, negative 4 minus 3 minus 7. There you go. Okay, now multiplication. The process of multiplication. So, which I think that the first example is very too easy, so I'm not going to explain too much on this one here. So, the constant of 3 multiplied with p, so 3 times 3x cubed, 9x cubed. 3 times negative 2x minus 6x, and 3 times 4 equal to 12. That's it. And then, what about this one here now? Okay, so for this one, for this example, the first is 3x cubed. We are going to multiply every single term that we have in the first bracket into a, we call a term in the next bracket. Now we call the other side of bracket here x squared minus 3. So then 3x cubed multiplied with x squared equal to 3x cubed times x squared, x to the power of 5. Okay, don't forget, in topic 1 we discussed on this, we call the index 3x cubed multiplied with x squared. Okay, multiplication between these two, so come up with x 3 plus 2 equal to 3x to the power of 5. Okay, just to remind all of you. Okay, so then the next is 3x cubed multiplied with negative 3. So then it becomes 3 times negative 3 minus 9x cubed. Okay, now it's time for negative 2x multiplied with x squared. So, negative 2 times x, negative 2x times x squared minus 2x cubed. And negative 2x multiplied with negative 3. Negative times negative become positive. 2x times 3 plus 6x. And now 4 multiplied with x squared plus 4x squared. And 4 times negative 3 equal to negative 12. So let's arrange and simplify all this one by one. So 3x power 5, there is no other term with x5, so 3x5. x4, it's only 1 here, so plus 4x, oh no, sorry. Okay. Okay, 3x5. There is no x for 4 here. So we look at this one, negative 9x cubed minus 2x cubed. So for this one, so please be careful. Sometimes we can make a simple silly mistake while we call solving this. Negative 9x cubed minus 2x cubed minus 11x cubed, and then plus 4x squared plus 6x minus 12. There you go. Not every term in the polynomial is multiplied. That every term in the polynomial is multiplied by each term in the other polynomial. Okay, so if px is a polynomial degree n and qx is a polynomial of degree n, then the product of px, qx is the polynomial of degree n plus n. So from the previous, there you go. You can see here 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Okay. So long division. Class. Last time when we talk about division, we only look at simple example, something like this. Now 32 divided by 9. So 9 times 3 equal to 27, and 32 minus 27 with a remainder of 5. Okay, and we write down in the conclusion that 32 divided by 9 equal to 3 plus 5 over 9. So the quotient is 3. Here is the quotient is 3 qx. So we note this one as an qx, and the remainder is 5. So we note this one as an rx. Okay. So the divisor is 9. So 32 divided by 9. So the divisor is 9. So the divisor, we note this one as an dx. So division of polynomials can be expressed in the form of this. And right now we are going to implement the divide of we call a numbers with the numbers, just like the previous example here, into polynomials. Okay, so polynomial of px divided by polynomial of dx, and you'll get something we call expressed in this form. Okay, so example 3, by using long division, find, okay, now 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. Okay, so right now, okay, so as you see the equation on the screen here now, 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. Okay, so we are focused on the first one here, 3x cubed divided by x. So just imagine that 3x cubed divided by x equal to 3x squared. So it's going to be like this. 3x squared multiplied with an x. 3x squared multiplied with an x equal to 3x cubed. Okay, so 3x squared also going to multiply with negative 3 here. So 3x squared multiplied with negative 3 minus 9x squared. Okay, so just imagine that we have minus here. So 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, 0. Negative times negative become positive. So then negative 7x squared plus 9x squared. So negative 7x squared plus 9x squared equal to 2x squared. Then bring down 2x here plus 2x. Okay, so 2x squared divided by x. 2x squared divided by x equal to plus 2x. So 2x multiplied with x, 2x multiplied with x, 2x squared. Then 2x multiplied with negative 3 equal to negative 6x. And again, minus here. So 2x squared minus 2x squared, 0. Negative times negative become positive. So 2x plus 6x, 8x. So then bring up 4 down here plus 4. Then 8x divided by x. 8x divided by x equal to 8. Again, 8 multiplied with x equal to 8x. 8 multiplied with negative 3 minus negative 24. So then 8x minus 8x, 0. Negative times negative equal to positive. So 4 plus 24 equal to 28. So then class, this is your remainder Rx. This is your divisor dx. And this is your qx, quotient of x or qx here. Okay, as you see here now. Okay, so now example 4, find x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 divided by x squared minus x minus 2. So in this case, okay, now slowly x cubed divided by x squared equal to an x. So let's try again. X multiplied with x squared, x cubed. Then just follow the rest of them. So x multiplied with negative x minus x squared. X multiplied with negative 2 minus 2x. Okay. X cubed minus x cubed, 0. Negative times negative become positive. So then negative 2x squared plus x squared, negative x squared. Then negative times negative again equal to positive. So 5x plus 2x, 7x. So bring up negative 1 here to join up the rest of this. And now let's compare with negative x squared with an x squared. So negative x squared divided by x squared minus 1. Again, try. Negative 1 multiplied with x squared, negative x squared. Then negative 1 times negative x, negative 1 times negative f plus x, and negative 1 times negative 2 plus 2. So negative x squared, negative times negative become positive. So negative x squared plus x squared, 0. 7x minus x, 6x, and negative 1 minus 2 minus 3. So then x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 divided by x squared minus x minus 2 equal to, Okay, so this is the quotient of x, which is x minus 1, and plus with the divisor, the remainder here, 6x minus 3 divided by x squared minus x minus 2. Okay, I forgot something. I should explain this also to the previous example. So then here, it should be write down as an 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 3 equal to, okay, so the quotient here, qx 3x squared plus 2x plus 8 plus with the remainder here, 28 divided by x minus 3. Or we may also write this in the form of 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 2x plus 4 equal to the first one here, 3x squared plus 2x plus 8 multiplied with a divisor of x minus 3 plus 28. And also for this example, I should write this one as an x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 equal to x minus 1, x squared minus x minus 2 plus with 6x minus 3. Okay, next, note that this one here equal to that. Okay, so as I can recall, showed all of you just now. Okay, next, divide x power 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 2. So class, for this case, when we divide any two polynomial of px divided by qx, it should be the px, for example, it should be in the form of, we call the degree of x from the highest to the lowest. Okay, what I'm trying to say is this one here. So just now, it is x power of 4 minus 16. And the divisor dx equal to x minus 2. So right now we can see x power of 4, 3, 2, 1 and x to a constant of negative 16. We cannot simply put x power of 4 minus 16 inside this. Okay, we are going to erase the power of degree or the power of x from the lowest to the highest one by one. Okay, so we are ready now. We are ready now for this process. Okay, so x power of 4 divided by x cubed. Okay, let's try x cubed multiplied with an x to the power of 4. X cubed times negative 2 minus 2x cubed. Okay, so then minus 1, minus here. So x power of 4 minus x power of 4, 0. 0, okay, negative times negative become positive. So 0x cubed plus 2x cubed, 2x cubed. Then bring up here plus with 0x squared. Next, 2x cubed divided by x. 2x cubed divided by x equal to 2x squared. Let's try again. 2x squared multiplied with an x, yes, 2x cubed. And then 2x squared multiplied with negative 2 minus 4x squared. Okay, slowly one by one. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, 0. Negative times negative become positive, so 0x squared plus 4x squared, 4x squared. And bring down here plus with 0x. Now 4x squared divided by x plus with multiply divided by 4x squared divided by x equal to 4x. Let's try again. 4x multiplied with an x, 4x squared. 4x times negative 2 minus 8x. Again, 4x squared minus 4x squared, 0. Negative times negative become positive, so 0 plus 8x, 0x plus 8x, 8x, and bring out the last one here, minus 60. Then, what's next? 8x divided by x equal to 8. So then, 8 multiplied with an x, 8x, and 8 multiplied with negative 2, negative 16. So let's try, let's take a look at this one here now. 8x minus 8x, 0. Negative times negative become positive, so negative 16 plus 16, also 0. Now, we are going to simplify all this. So x power 4 minus 16, x power 4 minus 16 divided by x minus 2 equal to x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 8. Again, look at this one here, x cubed plus 2x squared plus 4x plus 8. Okay. The remainder is 0, thus x power 4 minus 16 is exactly divisible by x minus 2. Exactly divisible means that the remainder Rx equal to 0. Okay, so previous example we have that the linear dx and constant of Rx and the quadratic linear we call the dx and also the remainder. So we can conclude that the degree of the remainder is 1 degree less than the degree of the divisor. So this is a conclusion here. And till we meet again, guys, girls, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a nice day.